So these are just vinyl peel and stick tiles, and this is what we decided to go with. We wanted to do our whole house in epoxy, just on bare concrete, but apparently you have to empty the entire house and do it all in one shot. So this way we could do each room, and I didn't really want to do tile. That seemed like way too much work. So these wound up being about 50 cents a tile, which is pretty amazing. So each bedroom's about $50 in flooring. You just peel them back. They are gnarly adhesive. You get it stuck on you, and there's still some on the floor I need to clean up. But you can use, I've been using lacquer thinner because this room's not finished. I'm still caulking in here. My lighting sucks, but I just wanted to show the color online looks kind of oranger. This is the light slate, and this is actually a really pretty color. So in person, it's really gorgeous. And we cleaned up the cement. Pretty much just get it flat. It doesn't have to be super clean. We did mop so they stick really good, but this is so easy and so cheap. And so far we just love it. So I know there's a lot of weird reviews. A lot of people said that theirs arrived with the corners were beat up and banged up. We just got ours from Walmart.com and had it shipped to the house. And there was, you can only order 10 of these at a time, which sucks. So $100 worth at a time. They're $10 a box, which is really dumb. I wish we could order the whole house worth all in one shot, but you can't. But they're pretty cheap and really pretty option. And then if one of them breaks or something happens to it, you just take a razor blade and you can pop it up. There's paint everywhere. I need to come in. I'm not done. I'm still painting and caulking. But you can just razor blade pop one up and then replace it, and 50 cents you've repaired your floor. So we're pretty destructive folks. We've got kids and pets, and I am so sick of the 20-year-old carpet that was in our house. So we went with this. It's so much faster and easier than doing tile and grout. That's so much work. But if you just want a cheap, quick, like for a bathroom or something, this stuff is incredible. So just wanted to weigh in with my 10 cents on it. It's good stuff. Anyways, what is today? Happy Sunday, y'all. Bye-bye.